Hello students, as we discussed in the previous classes about the introduction of acid and bases, in the today classes we will discuss about the indicators and the pH scales. But before that we can some definitions about an acids. The acids are which gives the H plus ions. When an acid react with the water molecules produce the H plus ions or hydronium ions, and the bases are those produce the OH negative ions. For the acid, example is HCl, hydrochloric acid, and H2SO4, sulfuric acid, and HNO3, nitric acids. But the bases are those who produce the OH negative ions, for example, the potassium hydroxides and the sodium hydroxides. Alright, we have already discussed about the indicator in the previous classes. So we have already discussed that natural indicators, but today we will discuss about the synthetic indicators. Synthetic indicators are those indicators which can be produced or synthesized in our practical lab or chemical labs. Alright, in our syllabus there are two types of indicators. There are two types, methyl orange and the other one is phenolphthalein. The methyl orange is also known as methyl red, which is in orange color. When it's react with the acidic medium, it produces the red color. When it is react with the base medium, it's produce the yellow color. While the phenolphthalein indicator, which is the colorless, when it react with the acidic medium, it is colorless. When it is react with the basic mediums, it produce the pink color. Alright, so these types of these two are the synthetic indicators, and the olfactory indicators are those indicators which smells are changed when react with acidic and basic mediums. These types of indicators called the olfactory indicators. For example, the onion and the clove oils. Alright, these are the indicators. Now we are discussing about the pH scales. What is the pH scale? pH scale is the medium and the indicate to identify the which is more acidic, more basic. Alright. So this is the scale which range start from the 0 to 14. Alright. For the acidic mediums, its range 0 to 7, and for basic medium is 7 to 14. Alright. So these are the pH scale related is the power of hydrogens, the number of hydrogen ions which produced by the acids, which is represented by the pH scale. The pH scale formula is equal to minus k log base 10 into H plus ions. Alright, so these are the basics pH scale. Here some of the ranges of daily products have given which is consumed in our daily life. Alright, which we can the different types of ranges 0 to 7. At 7 this is neutral, and more than 7 to 14 it is the basic. Alright, so these are the 0 to 14 ranges which is help us to identify which is more acidic and more basics. In the next class we will discuss about the reactions of acids and what are the salts. Thank you for the class.